how to use ChatGPT's free plan. In order to use the ChatGPT's free plan, you can access OpenAI's modern AI models and tools across various devices without a paid subscription. All you need to do is create an account. So you could use the browser version of it or use an app itself. So I'm going to use the browser version. So type in ChatGPT, click open that up. Now then you want to go ahead and create your account. So click onto the plus button at the top right corner or tap onto the menu bar and go to the account section and log in with your Google account. Once you're done creating your account with the Google account itself, you can then go ahead and enter your requests such as text, prompt, image, audio into the message bar on the free plan, and you can engage in a conversation asking for writing help or use it to learn with no cost. You can manage your conversation history is saved in a sidebar, allowing you to return to a previous topic. If you prefer privacy, you could use a temporary chat by enabling this button at the top right corner of the screen, and you could go ahead and continue it. And this way you'll be able to use ChatGPT's free plan. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.